Are you looking for to fix Thread search not working? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is move into Safari. Inside Safari, in the address bar, search for Thread outage. Now move into the very first site. In this page, you can check whether the server of Thread app is down or not. Well, sometimes the server might be down, and it might be the reason that you're facing the issue. In that case, simply wait for the server to get fixed. Or else move into your application Thread. Once the page loads, simply close the application and then reopen it. It will refresh the app. Now move into the App Store on a device. In the App Store, in the address bar, you need to search for Thread app. Move into the application Thread. Instead of open, if you see the option of update, then tap on it and update the app to the latest version. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.